Welcome back to Om and Manu's world. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. So let's see the good thoughts for school assemblies. Catch the time because time waits for none. Here's another one for you people watching our videos. Do not give up. Do work hard. Here's another one. Well, begin is half done. Here's another one. Good manners and kindness are always in fashion. So, here's another one for you people viewing us channel. Be positive and you will be successful. So, the next one, let's view it, alright? Where there is a will, there is a way. So, here's the next one. Practice is a key to your goal. So, here's the next one. Our future depends on what we do in the present. So, here's another one for you people to view. God helps those who helps themselves. So here's another one which you guys would view. Slow and steady wins the race. Here's another one. When you know better, you do better. Here's the other one. Try, but don't cry. So here's the next one. Today is a great day to learn something new. So it is a good thought. It's a good line to tell for any thought of the day or something like that. Let's move to the next one. Honesty is the best policy. Practice makes man perfect. These lines are so beautiful. You can tell it for thought of the day or for school assemblies. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share and don't forget to press the notification bell for more videos.